Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm going to sound like that stereotypical YouTuber and be like, this is a video I never expected to make. But in complete honesty, this is a video I never expected to make. Today we're going to be going into why the Clarisonic is going away. You guys know I have been using this for years. I am absolutely in love with the product. But some recent developments have meant that I need to find a long-term solution because this will no longer be available very soon. So if you want to talk through some additional cleanser tools, things you can use to supplement your skincare routine to improve your skin, whether it's cleansing it a little bit deeper, getting into those pores, or talking through just some cool tools with skincare, make sure to keep on watching, and please don't forget to subscribe because I do upload 3 times a week. That's going to be the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. So if you want to see all of these fun tools and all the details as to why the Clarisonic is no more, stay tuned. Alright, so I am going to link down below every product I talk about today, but I'm going to start by putting a graphic right up here, which was posted to Instagram, and I will read it to you. It was posted about a week ago at this point. But this was put up by Clarisonic, and it says, after more than a decade of game-changing innovation and industry-leading technology, the Clarisonic brand will be shutting down September 30th, 2020. We want to thank all of our loyal customers, dermatologists, and retail partners who have helped to put this brand on the map. It has been an absolute pleasure to serve you all these years. Please take advantage of our last chance 50% off everything promotion at our authorized retailers to stock up on your favorite products while supplies last. Thank you again for being a loyal Clarisonic customer. Clarisonic. Now, if you're not familiar, a Clarisonic is a bougie as hell, super expensive face cleaning device, which I have been using going on 3 years now. The heads are interchangeable. They only last for about 3 months. Because I know there's going to be that person who asks me, well, you still have it, so why not keep using it? And the honest answer is, after a certain point, I will no longer be able to get replacement heads, which means that I will no longer be able to use this really expensive device. Now, I did not pay for mine with money. I used like 4 years of Ulta points to pay for it, so I don't feel as bad as somebody who might have actually spent money on it, and I did get 3 years out of it, so I'm very happy with it. But that being said, now that it's no longer available, what are you going to do? So again, I am going to link the devices that I have specifically down below, so if you did want to take advantage of that 50% off sale, you could go stock up, buy 50 brush heads, and have a Clarisonic for the next 10 years. I personally prefer to use something that is still available, so that's what we're going to talk about today. So the first item is going to be from PMD. This actually came in a BoxyCharm, and it is a face cleanser. They have a few different models, but instead of using a brush, it uses silicone bristles. There are a few different settings, pulsing, intensity. So with the silicone side, you'll notice that there are smaller beads and larger beads. You use this, gently massage along the skin with your cleanser on it to clean. Use the bigger beads to really scrub to get those hard to reach places. And it's going to help to get the skin cleaner. That vibration, even the Clarisonic uses the vibrations, and that just helps to kind of shake the dirt out of your skin while you're cleaning. Because it is a medical grade silicone, it is easier to clean. And the other side has those flat grooves. I like to use that with my serums to almost massage and pulse my serums into the skin. That's something I like to do pretty much with all of my skincare. It's just that added thing that allows your skin to grab onto those products a little bit more. The PMD cleanser, which does come, or cleaner tool, does retail for $99, I believe. Again, everything linked down below, so you can take a look if that's something you're into. The Clarisonic was this was like a $300 device, and the heads were like $30 for a 2-pack, so like $20 or so. And you have to replace these every 90 days, whereas with this, you can clean it up, and it is a one-time purchase. Now, the one downside to this that I don't love, it's nice, it has a nice intensity, but I don't love the shape because I find like it's a flexible head, so there's only so much pressure I can do before I'm like bending the handle. So another one that I have is from Duvall, and it fits in the palm of... These look like, I'm going to say bedroom accessories, because that's the polite way to say it, but these look like sex toys. With this one, you turn it on or off, and you can increase or decrease the intensity, And because of its shape, it is easier to get more pressure on the face. So if you want that like deep clean, you can really get in a lot deeper. Because it's vibrating and it does have grooves on the other side, you're able to do that same thing, massaging in your serums. You can get nice and into the under eye area to depuff, break down any congestion of moisture in the skin so that puffiness can go away. I'm going to turn that out so it stops buzzing. I've only been using this one for about 2 weeks, but I've been really enjoying it because, again, the shape on this one being circular, like I can get a lot of things, but like it's a little bit of a hassle to get into the immediate eye area, whereas this one I can get much closer, much easier. Now, both of these products are water resistant, so you can use them in the shower, which is where I do all of my cleansing. I love that you can do that. Another thing to realize with both of these is, again, because they are that food grade, medical grade silicone, it is so much easier to keep clean and sterile, especially because it's easy to sanitize these. One distinction between the two, this one does use batteries, whereas this one is rechargeable. So you don't have to worry about like replacing batteries. I'm always hesitant to have, like, I don't keep this in the shower. I don't feel bad keeping this like right in the shower and just charging it when I need it, because something about having those batteries in there kind of makes me feel weird. Super easy to use. I dampen my face. I take a little bit of my cleanser on my hands and I will apply it to the face, and then I'll go in with whichever tool I'm using, small circular motions, and clean the face thoroughly. I did also forget to mention, you will, when you look down below, there is a coupon to get 70% off of this item. It's a $99 product, so you'll get it for $28.50. Coupons. All right, so that is your alternative if you are looking to cleanse your face and you're going against the Clarisonic. Now, there is another attachment for the Clarisonic. Looks like this, that when you turn this on is meant to massage and depuff and sculpt the jawline. You can take that right here and just massage out any puffiness and really tighten the skin. This is something that you can continue to use. Like I'm not throwing out my Clarisonic. I plan on keeping it. But if I wanted to, not buy a Clarisonic because I can no longer get the brush heads and want something like this, your next option is going to be from Touch Beauty. This is something I did a whole video on, so I'm not gonna I'll link it up here, but I'm not gonna sit on this for too long. You turn it on, you change your setting, and this uses like tiny little pulsing, I don't want to say shock, but it does kind of it's a little bit of like a numbing effect. And what this does is it is just going to help to sculpt the face. You go on the jawline, and it just kind of tightens everything. And then I also like to do it right here on the cheekbone, and that's just going to contour this area a little bit more. See how it just pulls that skin in, tightens that muscle, and gives you just a little bit more of that snatched effect than if you weren't using it. This device was like $200. It was sent to me. I did not purchase it, but I'm not being paid to say any of this. This product right here does come with 3 heads, so there's also a eye wrinkle helper and then a blue light defense. Neither of those things are Clarisonic-y things. If you are not feeling either of these and that massage-y part of your skincare, I'm going to once again talk about this product right here. This is my Foreo UFO 2. It is a 90-second concentrated sheet mask that pulses, warms up, vibrates, and chills and cools. You massage it over the skin with a mask in there. It applies a serum. Nothing makes my skin feel better than this. I have been obsessed with it. I will also link this down below. I'm not going to rant on it too much because, again, I did already do a dedicated video to this product, linked down below. And the last item I'm going to talk about today is another tool. I mentioned this 2 videos ago, but I was a very quick mention, so I do want to give it another mention. This is from Makiyu. It is the Pore Vacuum. Turn it on, sucks all the dirt and... Ooh, that's gross. Sucks all the dirt and grossness out of your pores. I'm going to have to use that later. This is something I like to use. I don't use it every day. I use it periodically just to get around here, behind my ears. Really those hard to reach, hard to scrub places just to decongest and get all that crap out of your skin. I will also leave a discount code down below for this. That one is an affiliate code, so I do get a small percentage as a commission for it. Do not feel obligated to buy it just because I get a commission from it. If you don't want it, don't get it. I would not talk about it if I didn't believe in it. And I'm not going to be that person who shares screenshots of emails. But when brands reach out and they're like, we want to give you a coupon code, we want to give you a commission code, I'm always like, give me 6 weeks to play with the product first. Because if I'm not absolutely in love with the product and it's not something I will use again, I will not take the commission code. Not just here for the coin, I'm here for, integrity. Anyway, those are going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tools that you can use because Clarisonic's going away, and I want to make sure that I am still getting that bougie luxury skincare experience, even if I don't have this product available anymore. So let me know down below if you have any questions. I will happily answer any recommendations. If you have a specific skin type and you want to know which product I think would be best for you, we can go over all of that in the comment section. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!